Fambu Leonardo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ahmad Lamin Samura. A lot of people sabi me for being engineer Samura. And Seth, today I want to take you through something very important. Yeah, while we talk about material, today I want to discuss very important material with something and there's some people learn because they don't know the type of material we for use. Can get a particular structure we don't correct at the end of the day. Because if the material not correct, now clear manifestation from where you build a house, where at the end of the day the house get forget a lot of problems. Last show on one. Let me talk about the sand today. Yeah? Of course, when you look at the sand, yeah, where I take it get two types. The one, it look clean past the other one. Yeah? Then say when you do more research into the sand there, you go find also some of them. Like this other one way dark, and I didn't kind thing they are there inside. And I think the way they rot in. They get some small particles away. If no more not to for make you do block laying, at the end of the day you go first say if now for make you do plaster in a rendering where you don't plaster inside that thick left or that particular unwanted material left, you go first say at the end of the day you go create a vacuum at the wall where if somebody can for can plaster say sometimes they or can for can paint pass you get for end up for make the person do mastic force that are for flop them vacuum then yeah. So it's very important for make we look at correct type of sand. The most sand we correct for make you do building with. Now sand where would they get from the river? We know say a lot of people can use that sand where they can dig now then swamp them. But that sand they not can find. They not can find at all. But the sand where we get from the river are the best sand. And mind you, we get saltwater sand, we get freshwater sand. So we get from all this type of sand there, except the saltwater sand get some small issue in them. Yeah? So we get for no waiting at the problem where the saltwater sand gets because it gets salt substance in them. It make at the end of the day the structure where they do it collapse quick. So we believe say when you build house, now for make it take century, a particular century before then do repair. But sometimes when we do building, within your lifetime, you will do the building, you will not repair one or two times. We're not incorrect. Yeah? So to me, I just think say the best thing for the beginning to do for select correct material. Famulem I go for stop there for now. Don't forget for like my videos, share them, and don't forget the most important one, just touch that bell where they see up and make you comment. Thank you very much.